Hello, this video will present you the collaboration suite features of a BIM-Speed platform. BIM-Speed Platform is a collaboration platform which is dedicated to renovation services inside the construction sector. At the core, there is a collaboration suite which is extended with some renovation-oriented services. The platform is built on the top of the Croquis French platform. This video will focus on the collaboration suite. This suite is organized with different services. The first one is user management. User management is the base or the folder access right management to exchange files. There's document versioning and document comments capabilities for the platform. And files can be securely shared across users. As well, there is online viewing features which makes it possible to see more common document extensions without having to download them. And finally, there is a file syncing application which can be downloaded in order to synchronize the local files on the PC with the cloud version of them. Regarding collaboration, there are discussion threads and chats which can be used in each of the BIMSpeed projects. There is a video conferencing service. There is a simple task management service as well. And there is a calendar and meeting application features. There is also a central authentication system, which is quite useful when the BIMSpeed system needs to coordinate various services. There are also some pre-existing Croquis services which are made available to BIMSpeed users, like the file convention service, which will be exposed in a future video. And users can as well download the OpenBIM application named FBIM from CSTB, which is a desktop application used to handle and manage OpenBIM models on the PC. And of course, there will be all the services integrated during the BIMSpeed project will be exposed to a platform, and it will be described in further videos. Here is the dashboard page of the collaboration suite. On this page, the user can see every project that he's working on and that has been shared with him. Every project has a set of modules which will be described in this video. So let's enter a project. The first module here is the channel module, which can be used to share comments, remarks, and links among the partners of a project. The second module is the document module, where people can synchronize files in the cloud and provide access to different people for this specific folder. The third module is a task management module, where people can design tasks and assign tasks to members of a project. This task can be viewed as well as a Gantt with a Gantt vision. The calendar module exposes a shared calendar for all the project, while the meeting module makes it possible to define common time slots for meetings. People can propose different options, and every user can define his own availability and define the best date for a meeting. The reporting module exposes a dashboard about the tasks of a project, while the activity module presents all the latest activities inside the project, like file download, any new comments, and things like that. Finally, there is a service module here which lists all the BIMSpeed integrated services inside the platform. The administrator of a project can manage all the invited users on this project or on the platform. You can add a participant here from the notebook, internal project notebook, or you can create a new user and invite any participant. You can edit the right of the existing people here by providing them the access to any of the module which is required for them to work. In the document module, every user access can be managed from this small icon here. So you can choose a participant and define what are the folder he has access to depending on his role inside the project. On the right side of a project, there are several helper tools. The first one is a search module where you can find anything inside the platform, like IFC file, for instance, and you can search among different categories like files and links, tasks, messages, or events. There is a notification bar here which exposes all the notifications for every project you are implied in. There is a contact book here where you can find all the users you work with. There is a chat module, so you can use it in order to chat with the people who are currently connected with you on the platform. And you have as well a video conferencing module if you want to share video and talk to people across internet. You can use this module without having to have an account on the platform, so it's very useful.